Hey, so just like how you ask questions to Grok, for example, this one, I'm asking it to summarize a meeting note, and it did that. It has key points, action items. So how about it summarizes your meeting notes in bulk inside Airtable without using any third-party tools? And not just meeting notes. Actually, you can connect Grok directly to Airtable and do any kind of AI task that you want. You can generate any type of content using AI inside Airtable without using any third-party tools. So let me show you how it works. So at first, you need this script. It's multi-AI Airtable script. It helps you connect OpenAI, Claude, Perplexity, Grok, DeepSeek, and more models inside Airtable. And when you get the script, you receive this Notion document. Here you will have scripts for different models. In this case, we are using Grok. So I'll just copy the Grok script from here. Just click on the copy button and it's copied. Next, you need to install an extension called scripting. So for that, let's click on this extensions, add an extension, and this is the scripting extension. Click on it and add extension. Just cancel it, delete everything that's already there and paste the script that you copied. You can see that a few fields appeared here. You can close the pop-up, click on the finish editing, and you can see the fields. You can expand it and it's ready to set up. At first, you need to select the table. Right now, we are working in this meeting notes table. So I'll just select meeting notes from the drop down. Next, it's asking for view name. So as you can see that here is views. When you click on it, you have multiple views. This time we are working in the grid view. So I'll write exactly as it is, grid view. Next, the prompt fields. So the prompt is basically the question that you ask AI. So in this case, these are the questions that we'll be asking AI and we'll want the answers from AI in this column. So for the questions, I have taken a formula field, as you can see here. And this is the formula, and the questions are all dynamically being generated. For example, this is some static text, and this is the curly braces that you see. These are fields from here, the dynamic fields. You can see the dates, attendees. I'm passing everything inside the prompt, and then we'll ask AI to summarize all the notes. And when you click save, it generates unique prompts for each row. For example, this is for monthly sales review. If I expand this prompt, you will see monthly sales review. So if I expand this, you'll see that website redesign April 29, and this is website redesign April 29 prompt. So the prompts are dynamic. We have the prompt field, and I want the outputs in this summarized notes field. So I'll write the prompt field here, which is exactly the prompt as it's written here. And for the output, it's summarized notes, right? Then you need your xAI Grok API key. For that, you need to visit this URL and create a new API key. So I'll create one. In this case, I'll just write multi-AI temp, right? And I'll later delete the API key. Make sure you do not expose your API key online. Otherwise, anyone can use your API key and then you will be charged for that. So I'll paste my API key here. Pick a model. So the Grok has these 3 models currently. So I'll select Grok 3 beta. Enter temperature. From 0 to 1, you can select. In this case, I'll select 0.7 because it generally gives balanced output. For max tokens, I'll just put 1000. And for system prompt, I'll just write be precise. And it's ready. When I click on this run button, you should see the output here. It says processing records, processing row this, which is the first row, and you should see the output here. Yes, you can see that this is the output. It's explained, action items, and so on. For the second row, and so on. Like it will keep on generating. Within seconds, it will generate the summary, the summarized notes for all these rows that we have. and it's finished. It says successfully processed all records. If you don't like the output, you can delete fields from here and then regenerate. Or this time you can use different models as well. For example, Grok 2, you can use it, and this time the output will come from the Grok 2 model, as you will see here. Yes, this. So yes, this is how you can connect Grok directly to Airtable without using any third-party tools. And not just Grok, by the way. It has other models as well. This script lets you connect OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, DeepSeek, and so on. So I'll put a link to the script in the description below. You can get it from there, and see you in the next video.